Hello, Dr. Darren Wayne here. I am a food scientist and I have been helping diabetics over the last 30 years balance their blood sugar naturally. Now, during that time, I've noticed a growing problem in this country. There's too much processed food everywhere. And diabetics, unfortunately, have no choice but to choose this processed food or that processed food. I tell you, it's enough to really frustrate you. And the problem isn't just the lack of healthy food, but really the fact that stores don't sell food healthy enough to actually help balance your blood sugar anymore. I should know. That's my focus, and it has been for the last 30 years. That's why I had to create my own organic diabetic meal replacement, and I call it Mealbetics. Now you can go online and see how many truly organic diabetic meal replacements there are, and you'll find only one. Type in organic diabetic meal replacement, and Mealbetics is on the very first page. Now, how is that with 1,000 diabetic meal replacements out there and meal replacement shakes? How can Mealbetics be the only truly organic one? Well, I'll tell you why. Because I'm the only one. Mealbetics is the only truly organic diabetic meal replacement. Now, I've seen the ingredients on all those diabetic meal replacement shakes out there, and I know you might think they're great. Some of you might think they're great. Some of you might not like them at all. But I could tell you just by looking at the labels, since I am an avid label reader, that there isn't a single one that's 100% organic. Sure, many have some organic. Many even claim to be organic. But they mix in other stuff that makes it extremely processed. And then they have the audacity to tell you it's healthy. There's only one healthy, and that is 100% contaminant-free food. And that's what Mealbetics is. I'm so happy to finally bring this to you. You've never eaten this before. It is extremely delicious, extremely satisfying, has more protein than steak, has all your nutrition, plenty of plant probiotics, very low carbs. You never have to worry about counting carbs anymore. You can replace one, preferably 2 meals every day, save so much time, save so much money, and it's for every person in your family, from fetus to senior citizen. I know you will love this so much. That's why I'm giving you one can for free just to prove it to you. I know you're going to feel the difference like nothing before. If you have any questions, you can always email me or text me directly, and I really look forward to talking to you soon.